Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're taking a little piece of the ocean and turning it into something truly magical: handmade seashell candles. It's surprisingly simple and adds such a unique touch to any space. First things first, gather your supplies. You'll need some clean, dry seashells. Larger, flatter ones work best. Candle wax flakes, wicks with bases, and a heat-safe container for melting your wax. Melt your wax according to package directions. While it's melting, carefully place a wick into the center of each seashell. You can use a dab of hot glue or a wick sticker to secure it if needed. Once your wax is fully melted, slowly and carefully pour it into each seashell, making sure the wick stays centered. Let them cool completely. Then I added some beads and pearls to enhance its beauty. So just like that, you've transformed ordinary seashells into beautiful, glowing candles. They make fantastic gifts or charming decor. So simple, so elegant. Let's see your creations. And there you have it, our gorgeous handmade seashell candles. Isn't it amazing what a little craftiness can achieve? This project is not only incredibly satisfying, but also super budget-friendly. We're talking about taking something you might find for free or very cheaply natural seashells and giving them a whole new life. It's a perfect example of trash to treasure in the best possible. We love bringing you creative ideas that are easy on your wallet and fun to make. If you enjoyed this transformation and are inspired to try it yourself, please let us know in the comments below. And never forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing DIYs, crafty ideas, and projects that turn the ordinary into extraordinary. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating content you love. Until next time, happy crafting.